So thanks for watching, you guys. I am gonna new to YouTube, so I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it yet. Maybe up here, maybe over there, over here, or over there. But somewhere I'm gonna put a subscribe button, or I'll put it in like in the information stuff below. As far as my hair and stuff, I do not remember where I got this hair from. Like, it was like a guy I found on Craigslist or something. But you see, yeah, I'm all about the deals. As far as the coloring, I will make a video. I'll just make a video. The makeup, I already, you know, taped, but I can recreate the look if you guys want to comment below and let me ask me some questions about, you know, what blush I'm wearing, what lipstick. I will be happy to make videos for you guys. You guys can suggest and recommend and, you know, ask for anything, and whatever you guys ask for, I'll try to give you guys as far as the videos. If you guys have any, you know, constructive criticism to give me, then by all means throw it this way, because I'm new to this. But yeah, thanks a lot, you guys. So if you like what you saw, subscribe, because I will be doing a lot of you know, hair reviews and makeup tutorials and, like, you know, outfits of the day and my weight loss journey. So stay tuned.